Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on home cleaning with TaskRabbit, full guide step by step clearly. To start saving on home cleaning with TaskRabbit, create an account on the TaskRabbit website or app. Sign up using your email address or social media account for easy access. Next, enter your location to find available taskers in your area. Once your location is set, navigate to the cleaning section. Browse through the list of taskers, checking their ratings, reviews, and availability. Select a tasker that fits your needs and budget. Review their profile for details on their experience and any specializations. Click on the request button to initiate the booking process. Fill out the details for your cleaning job, including the type of cleaning needed and the size of your home. Specify any special instructions or requests for the tasker. Choose a date and time that works best for you. Review the pricing information to ensure it fits within your budget. Confirm your booking by providing your payment information. After confirmation, you will receive a notification with details about your tasker. Communicate with your tasker through the app if you have any last-minute questions. On the day of your cleaning, be present to give necessary access and clear instructions. After the cleaning is complete, review the tasker's work to ensure satisfaction. Leave a review to help future users and give feedback to the tasker. Consider rebooking with the same tasker for regular cleaning to maintain consistency. Explore additional services on TaskRabbit for other household chores and tasks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.